Sorry for the multiple videos. I know you'll find this shocking, but the camera froze up as we finished the last example. I'm going to do one more of these with you, and then I encourage you guys to grab the rest of these off of Blackboard. I would like to look at D. This is actually the equation of a semicircle, and it's a semicircle because there's no plus or minus out front, and it's a semicircle with a radius of 3. And so when we look at this, we know it's centered at the origin and it's got a radius of 3. We're looking at the top half of a circle. So the area under the curve is the area between the x-axis and the semicircle. And to find this area today, we're going to do, and I apologize, it's actually not the semicircle. I didn't pay attention to my bounds. So this equation does describe the top half of the circle, but really what this question is asking is just to find the area from 0 to 3. And so that reduces my semicircle down to a quarter of a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared, and I want 1/4 of that. So in this case, my area is 1/4 times pi times 3 squared, or 9/4 pi, and that's an exact answer, so I'll go ahead and leave it there. I would like you guys at this time to pause the video. I would like you to try example C and example 2 as much as you can, but I want to flip to the very last page, and I want to look at example number 4 so that you guys have enough information to complete your assignment when it comes time. So for example number 4, I'm given 2 pieces of information. So I'm given an area from 2 to -1, and I'm given an area from 2 to 6. And my question here is, how do I find the area from -1 to 6? I think this is probably best represented on a number line. I'm trying to find the area from -1 to +6, and I'm given an area from -1 to 2. I'm told that that area is 7. I'm also given an area from 2 to 6, and I'm told that area is 5. Well, what would the total area be then? It would be 7 plus 5 for a total area of 12. And the last one we'll look at is a little bit tricky. This is the question part. I'm asked to find the area from 0 to 6. I'm given an integral here, but I want you to pay close attention to the bounds. So 10 is actually a bigger number than 0. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write this so it makes, I hope, a little bit more sense. I flipped my bounds, and one of the things that we talked about was if I flip my bounds, then I also have to change the sign of my area. So the area from 0 to 10 is +4, and the area from 6 to 10 is 8. So I just want to find the area from 0 to 6. And again, I think this is best if we draw ourselves a line. I took the largest interval here, from 0 to 10 is bigger than 0 to 6. So I know this whole area is 4, but I know that this area from 6 to 10 is 8. So I want to find the area from 0 to 6. So I take my total area and I subtract off the area from 6 to 10, and I find that the area from 0 to 6 has a value of -4. So I hope that you guys have enough information to complete your assignment this evening. I will see you next week, and I will say hello to Mickey Mouse for each and every one of you. Have a great weekend.